Good morning, all you rail fans. This morning, getting ready to go to a train show, model train show, in Garden Ridge, Texas, right outside of San Antonio. Even though it is put on by the San Antonio Model Railroad Association, or SAMRA. They had this Saturday and Sunday. Today is Sunday, February 23rd. I did go out there yesterday, picked up a few things, and then today I decided I wanted to go back and document it a little bit, and also pick up some things that I probably should have picked up when I was there. We'll see if they're still there. I'm hoping they are. This isn't a huge show or anything. It's fairly small, but it's good to have these little shows like this. It was encouraging yesterday to see a bunch of people were out there, and a bunch of kids were out there too. But let's get on the road and I'll show you guys this show. Thanks for tuning in. All right, so on the way to the train show, have to stop at Duncan first, but on my way to Duncan, get to do a little rail fanning. Missed the locomotive, but here's the rest of the intermodals, so enjoy. All right, Duncan in hand, let's get moving. All right, made it to Garden Ridge train show. Let's go inside, check it out. Okay, so went through the train show, showed you guys everything that I saw. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. I probably skimmed over a couple things, but cool show. Like I said, it's smaller, but there is a lot of stuff. Some deals to be had if you look. I bought quite a few things between yesterday and today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I try to post videos whenever I can. I'm not really consistent about it. I just kind of want to share what I see and where I go that has to do with trains. So thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. Thanks.